Hey guys, it's me Prasad with Particular Indian Consumer, and today I have here with me Xiaomi Redmi 1S. Now this phone I had ordered on 14th and I received it on the 17th. This phone in India is available only on Flipkart and it is on first come first serve basis. In any time of the video you can pause it and see the details. Let's see the box closely. Now other accessories are also provided along with the cell phone, especially the 3 protective screen guards. Here they have also provided a tray for the SIM cards and the sleeves which can be used for micro SIMs, as this phone accepts only normal SIM card. So here you can see them. These are the 3 screen guards provided along with the cell phone. Here are some of the instructions as to how to apply the screen guard, which can be really handy. They have also provided 2 sticky tags. Now here you can see them. These sticky tags, I found them to be really helpful to apply on your camera, as the camera tends to get scratched, so they will protect your camera in that way. Let's quickly unbox it and see what we have here inside the box. The box has a cardboard finish, but is very nice to touch. Really like the feel of the box. Let's quickly break the seal and get inside. So the first thing inside the box is the device. The first thing that you observe about the device is the stunning build quality. At 6,000 rupees it provides a very nice build quality. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get. Here we have the instruction manual, some instructions for removing the back cover, putting in the battery and the SIM cards. Let's quickly take a look at the data syncing card and the charging cable. This is the Xiaomi adapter, which also has a fairly nice quality. Overall we are observing a very nice quality altogether at 6,000 rupees. This is the battery, which is 2050 mAh. Here we find some warranty details about the accessories and other stuff. Let's take a closer look. The red color buttons seem really very nice. The LED light is below the home button. The camera on top with the brightness sensor. The buttons onto the left. And the indent to open the back cover. With the headphone jack on the top. Nothing on that side. The power charging port. Mic. Beautiful logo. The LED flash. Camera. Now this camera is protruding out, so it might get scratched when you keep the cell phone on the floor. With the noise cancellation mic. And the speaker grill. Let's quickly remove the screen protective cover. Very nice 4.7-inch display. IPS of course. Let's quickly open the back cover and see what we have inside. So here we see 2 SIM card slots, which accept normal size SIM cards. A slot for the memory card. Let's pop in the battery and give it a first turn on. The back cover has a really nice feel to it. Overall the total build quality seems really nice, guys. Talking about the technical specifications of the phone, it has a 4.7-inch IPS display, 312 ppi. It has a dragon tail scratch resistant glass. It has a 1.6 GHz Cortex A7 quad core Snapdragon processor, 1 GB RAM, 8 GB internal ROM, 8 megapixels back camera, 1.6 megapixels front facing camera, and both have the capacity of 720p HD video recording. Yes, it has GPS, and here it has started now. And quickly enter my Wi-Fi details and start. So you have this MIUI onto the Android Jelly Bean operating system. That is what you see here. It is much like the iOS system, and I operated this UI quite a bit and I have really liked it. So you see all these toggles here, grey, orange color combination. I'm really liking this color combination actually. You don't get a separate menu, but of course you can pinch to zoom and add widgets onto the home screen. Let's quickly go into the settings, and I'll show you the operating system. And there the Android animation won't pop up, but you can see that it is 4.3. Here you can see the storage, 4.73 GB available. And this is how the dialer looks. It has a really bright look to it. I'll quickly show you the camera interface. Now the camera interface is very basic. It is nothing flashy. It has all the basics and is very nice. You can tap to focus, of course. While video recording, you can adjust the focus. You can either keep a manual focus or an autofocus, so which is again a nice thing. There you can see it. Nothing fancy, but all the essential stuff is there, and that is really nice about this interface. Now the aspect ratio 16:9, that will give you a complete view. So there you go. Around 1200 people have rated this phone a 5-star on Flipkart. Now that is an amazing thing. Here you can see the torch. This is a tool which already the phone provides us. You can make folders on the home screen. This app here acts like the cleaners. Another interesting thing, the Explorer, you can see the Google folder here, and Flipkart app already provided. Here is my Moto G. I'll quickly compare it with it. This is the Moto G1, so you can compare the size. Now guys, to sum it up, at this price range, this phone is a steal, so go and buy it. That's my verdict. Firstly, I'd like to thank all my 246 subscribers for subscribing to my channel, having faith in me, liking my videos, asking me questions. I really thank all of you, each and every one of you. And others who have not subscribed to my channel, you can always click on the button that you see on the screen and subscribe. Guys, one thing that I do with all my subscribers is subscribe them back. Now this is the only way that I can create an Indian consumer family. So if you subscribe me, I'll of course subscribe you back. Thank you.